Hello, my name is EJ. I have an autoimmune condition that causes me a lot of pain in my hip and in my foot, and it's a bit difficult to sit at a regular desk. I was looking for something that had a lot of flexibility because at different points in the day, the pain changes. And it means that the position that I was in originally might not be the position that's really effective for me later. I was looking for a desk and chair combination that was comfortable to sit in for long periods of time as I work from home, and at the same time had enough flexibility to give me some mobility and options so that as the day went on, I could change positions and get more comfortable and at the same time continue to get work done. My job is also customer facing, so I have a lot of video conferences that I'm on, and I even do some product demos as well. So all of these things needed to come together, and I found a perfect desk and combination that I thought would do a great job, and it really has. It's kind of changed the way that I work and allowed me to keep moving. Sitting in the chair like this allows me to adjust the back. I can move it up and down, backwards and forwards to be able to find a comfortable position. Down at my feet, I'm able to keep circulation going by rotating the paddle at the bottom of this. I can move the legs up and down. I can find a new comfortable position very, very easily based on whatever my particular comfort is needed at any given moment. The fact that I have multiple arms that can pull the screens back and forth also make it really easy to get my work done. If you look over here, you can now see that my desk has a very large amount of area open. I sometimes will charge my phone or have some paperwork that I'm working on, but I can keep my mouse nicely controlled by using a mouse pad and a very comfortable situation, right? We're able to have wireless as much as possible, or I can also have wired items because of the positioning of these monitors. These handles that are custom made for the bottom of the monitors make it very, very easy to rotate and turn and be able to pull the monitors back and forth. If I need to recline a little bit more, I can also change the tilt of the monitors by using some of these controllers that are on top of the desk. So I'm able to change the tilt to keep it at a good angle, to keep everything ergonomically sound as I move through. My camera remains up top, and if I need to do demonstrations, I have a complete separate area over here that can hold a laptop or can hold whatever products that I'm needing in addition to an extra arm. Sometimes sitting down for long periods also kind of makes my feet hurt a little bit, and I need to stand up and be able to stretch things out. This also has an option to convert to a standing desk, which I find very, very wonderful. All of the monitors can rotate and move to get me to a new angle as I'm able to use this. Now I can hit the button to raise the mast, and it'll lift the entire platform of everything all at once. So the desk and the monitors stay together, stay at the appropriate connection between them. I also have the ability to move them independently if I need to, but in general, I keep these two things paired together to make it very, very easy to continue working. So when I want to be able to stand, I raise up the tower, and now I'm able to continue working just like I was before in a very comfortable setting. Sometimes I can do this for 5 or 10 minutes, and then it's time to sit back down, and I allow the motors to be able to do all of the heavy lifting and hard work for me. This system makes it very, very effective for whatever position that I need to put my body in to be able to continue to work effectively is able to be done. All of these things I found to be very customizable. The team that helped me put this together was absolutely phenomenal. They helped provide good cable routing for all of the different pieces that are necessary for this. One of the other questions that I had when I was evaluating this was, how does all the cabling work? Now, each setup's a little bit different, but I thought I'd show you where mine is. Mine is not the most clean, but it does get everything done. I strapped a power surge protector to the back of the monitors. I run all of my extra cabling, my power chargers, and all of those things. I run them along the lines here, up along the back, and I've got all the different pieces that connect towards the back of the system. If I go down low, this is where I really didn't spend a lot of time making these things nice and neat, but all of the cabling runs back here, and it's very easy to control. So the platform is quite strong and stable towards the back. I also have a custom height desk that I use to put my monitor and some of the other equipment on. It makes it very easy to use, very comfortable, and it's an absolute wonderful experience.